Have you ever had great idea in your mind, but when you try to speak, the words didn't come out? Or maybe people misunderstand you and even though your intention is good. So hey everyone, welcome back to day 4th of my self improvement journey. So this is Sony and welcome back my channel Way to Fluent. If yes and you want to improve your communication skills, so this video for you. So welcome to day 4th of my self improvement journey. Today we are talking about the communication skills. As everyone know how much important the communication skills, why it matters. So in this video I am going to talk about the communication skills. Suppose that if somebody has the too much degrees but he has not good communication, and other person he has not much degree, he just passed out the 12th and 10th, but he has very good command of communication skill. So people definitely appreciate the people who person good at the communication skills, because if you have much degrees but you don't know how to communicate with the other person in front of other people, then your degree's benefit is nothing. So instead of taking too much degrees, it's a important you want to improve your communication skills, because if you improve your communication skills, then definitely success is come in automatically, and you can get the job and success very easily. So how we can improve? I can observe that in surrounding me, everybody want to improve their communication skills, but thing is that how much hard work and what kind of things we do for improving our communication skills. Mostly people think about the if somebody asks them what is the communication skill, then definitely the mostly people think about when the person speak very fluently and fastly, then this is the communication skill. No, so this is not communication skill. If somebody communication skills mean when you able to share your thought with the other person very calmly and very confidently, and when you able to listen to other people also, so that is the communications. That is not mostly people think about when somebody speak in very fluently and very fastly and they don't listen to other, that is the person has very good communicator, person is very good communicator. No, it's a fault, it's not true. If you improve your communication skills, so what kind of changes you can see in your personality? So when you improve your communication, when you when you very good communicator, then you can see your confidence level is always high. जिनका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा होता है वो ऑलवेज बेटर कॉन्फिडेंस, वो ऑलवेज कॉन्फिडेंस फील करते हैं, एंड जिनका भी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा नहीं होता है वो ऑलवेज लो फील करते हैं. And second thing, they able to make good friend in society, and society also judge to according their communication skills. If somebody has good communication, the people automatically attract with them. Communication also help us get the success easily. No matter you want to get a good job, you are in college, school, anywhere, but if you have good communication, people are judged according to communication skills. Nowadays it is very important. If you want to do something, if you get the success in your life, then you have to work on your communication skills. And if you want to, then start with me. Today onward, I request you because I am also working on my communication skills. People always give respect according your communication skill. If somebody has not good communication skills, then people always judge according communication skills. Give respect according to communication skills. So that is the things we always try to improve our communication skill, work on. It is the skill we can learn anytime, anywhere, any age, in any age. So don't feel shy, don't feel hesitate, and just start. And what kind of things you can do for improving your communication skill? First, you start reading. As in previous video I already shared these kind of things, how reading important in our life if we want to improve our communication skill. So reading is play a very important role, and always before speaking you just think about what you want to say, then speak. Don't be hurry. लोगों को बहुत जल्दी रहता है कुछ भी अपनी बात बोलने का. Always and be calm, and always work on your body language. Your body is speak even when your mouth is silence. And so thing is that how we can learn the communication skill. The first thing, you have to start reading. Second, you can just 1 and 2 minute record yourself. And third thing, you whenever you speak, then first you think, then speak. And second, always listen to other. If you listen to very carefully to other, then you definitely get the ideas how the person speak in front of other, how means their way of talking style. Many things you can learn. But the people is not want to listen to other, they just want to share, they just always hurry to share their thought. So it is not good. If you want to master in this communication skill, then listen first to other and observe the things. So this is the communication skill. And definitely if you want to improve your personality, if you want to improve your personality and you want to become a successful person in your life, then communication is the very, very, very important to everyone. Not just getting good job and in college. For everyone, communication is very important. So I hope you understand my point. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. I will come again with another topic. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much watching for this video.